Sadie Sink will play Thunderbolts Songbird, according to leaked information. Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day. I want to warmly thank everyone for supporting our channel and inform you that we will continue to work and improve our content. Without further ado, let's move on to today's video. Sadie Sink, who is best known for playing Max in the Netflix series Stranger Things, will play Songbird in the upcoming Thunderbolts film, according to an important news website. Sadie Sink, an actress best known for playing Max in the Netflix series Stranger Things, has recently signed with Marvel Studios to portray Songbird, also known as Screaming Mimi, in the film live-action adaptation of Thunderbolts, according to a recent Marvel Insider leak. The members of the adaptation will be similar to this first group, whose one member was the previous mentioned Songbird, as there have been numerous versions of Thunderbolts in Marvel Comics over the years, but one of the most well-known was the original version that debuted in 1990, coinciding with the appearance of the villain Onslaught. She is a disturbed young woman also known as Screaming Mimi, who later transforms into a group leader. Interestingly, as we are all aware, Sadie Sink has demonstrated her talent as a serious actress and has experience playing these kinds of roles. Thunderbolts' launch window and 2024 premiere date are two noteworthy revelations made by Kevin Feige, CEO of Marvel Studios, at the final San Diego Comic-Con of 2022. He also hinted that the team's members will, as is to be expected, be either villains or anti-heroes, similar to DC Comics' The Suicide Squad. Although the notion of watching Sadie Sink make her debut in the Marvel Cinematic Universe intrigues us, we will have to wait until the movie studio, the actress's representatives, or the interpreter herself makes an official announcement to find out if they will work together. We appreciate you visiting our comic books and pop culture channel. For more exclusive news, scoops, and unique information, subscribe to Uncanny Collectibles.